If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. Deer Hunter special video for Lune? Lune? I don't know if I'm saying that right. Let's go. Oh, like a heart. Oh my god, Taki. Bro, it mind blows me how grown he is now. Sorry. Woo! Oh, that gave me chills. Sir! Woo! Oh my god. K, chill! Bro, this is so good. Bruh. Oh, you better slay. Ooh, ooh. I love how simple that move is, but it's so effective. Oh my god. Ooh, on sync too, in like a ripple effect almost. Bruh. Oh. Okay, sir. Wait, who is this guy? I forgot like everybody's names. It's been a minute since I checked out N Team. But who is he? Let me know, let me know, let me know. Maki? Oh, no wonder he's so tall. Wow. Dude. Yeah. This guy in the middle right here. Maki? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my god. What? It's been such a minute for me checking them out, and then like this just popped on my feed, and now I'm like amazed. Wow. You know what? You know what? I might have to check out the MV. Damn, I can't even talk. Hold up. I need to see the lore. Let me see the lore. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. We're here now. We're here now. I'm committing. Oh, damn. It's cold out there, huh? You good? Are they supposed to be like werewolves, right? Oh. Oh. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, okay. They're about to slay, bro. Oh, look at the finger jewelry. I don't know what to call it. Those like claws? Bro, look at Taki, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a shared universe within hype and ripe. Up, down, bah. What? I am speechless, bro. Ooh, I like their outfits though. Ooh. What we want. Ooh, the animalistic feel. Oh, with the arrow, pop. I don't know. It's something about the simplicity of it too. I love. Oh, oh. I thought they were saying countdown when I watched the special video, but with the oh. This is their This is their webtoon, if I'm not mistaken. But not, yeah, I thought they were saying countdown this whole time when I was watching the special performance, but with the subtitles I was like, oh, hunt down. Speaking about that, I need to finish my solo leveling manhwa. What the hell? God damn!
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.